Hello everyone. My name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. I am a Master Certified Wedding Planner and a Certified Florist. Linda's Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in around Philadelphia area. We do full service, partial, month of coronations. We do custom events. We do milestone celebration. Pretty much anything that need planning and decor, we handle it all. So from boutonnieres to centerpieces to bridal bouquet to planning your wedding and your event from start to finish, we do as well. We also do home staging, where if let's say you have an Airbnb and you want to stage your home to kind of make it appealing to guests, or you have an office space or selling your home and you just want to stage the home to kind of look really amazing. We do also provide the furniture, or you pay for your own furniture as well. So if you are just joining my channel, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. All the information you need to know is in the description section. You can find me on all social media platforms, from Facebook, Twitter, you name it, or you can sign up on my website for a free 30-minute consultation. Yes, I said free, where you can learn more about my services, and that information is www.lyndaperfect.creationsevents.com. So let's go ahead. Today I had a topic I was going to talk about, but I opened my Facebook and I saw something from the Wedding Wire, and the question was, what's in your emergency kit? And I thought about it. Well, do people know what an emergency kit is, and if so, what are the things that they have? If so, what do they have in the emergency kit? So today I'm going to talk about things that you need to have in this kit when you have your wedding or you have major events coming along. And also, most of the time, if you hire a professional wedding planner, they 99, almost all, but 99% should have emergency kit where they can get most of these things from. So I always recommend that you can ask your planner, do you have this in what, or do you have in your kit, so you don't have to bring a much of things over. And then vice versa, if you think about who to dedicate these items to. So once you get the event, who's supposed to take care of this stuff for you? Your planner or somebody trusted that you have. But these are things that is a must have, because trust me, I've seen so many things that happen behind the scenes that can make or break a wedding. That's why I have my own emergency kit, and I have a lot of goodies and a lot of things in there that just in case at any moment I can be prepared to do everything else. I'm going to talk about some of the things that is a must have. In between, we're going to also talk about some things that I can give and take, but it's a long list. I'm going to try to do the best that I can to shorten it. But these are things that you must have. For one, you need a sewing kit. In your emergency kit, you do need a sewing kit. You never know. I seen some bride veil fell off, or something they don't hitch on, or maybe some part of dress or something that messed up. You can quickly grab that needle and thread and start to sew. Trust me. You need safety pins. You need pins in there, sometimes to patch anything that you can patch things on together. Those are things that is a must have. Those are some of the things. And like I said, I'm going to go back and forth different things in no particular order. But the ones that is a must have, I will definitely let you know what it is. You do need a tweezer. You never know. Like ladies want to, maybe there's a couple of hair in the eyebrows that you want to pick up, or something you need to take out, something precure, whatever the case it is, you do need a tweezer in your kit. You need some tissue, because just in case, you're looking for something, you want to wipe something off, those are things. You do need a stain remover. Anything can happen in your dress. I've seen many times where a groom, somebody go ahead and hug him or give him a kit, and then later on he have something, maybe the groomsman or something, a stain on there, the suit on the lapel or something like that from hug or makeup, because people are gonna, even the bride, there's a lot of people that are walking around with a lot of makeup. It's a must have. A stain remover pen is so great. You want to have that with you at all times, just to be prepared. You never know what something's going to happen. So that is something that you definitely do. A quick man or gum, he can have that in there. You need a bleach stick just in case the lip is dry. Extra toothbrush, miniature size mouthwash, and things like that. Most of the stuff is always in your traveling bag. You don't really have to bring them, because, hey, sometimes people do forget to brush. I won't. But sometimes people miss places and they don't know what it is. You can have an extra toothbrush, or maybe they forgot to pack it. It's not so much what it is, but they do forgot to pack it. So before I go any further, when are you supposed to pack these things? A week before. Like a couple of weeks before, like a week, minimum a week, not days, minimum a week before your wedding. You should pack all these things into your kit. You need feminine products. You never know what's Mother Nature gonna show up. Make sure you have your feminine products in there. You need some lotion, because you need your Q-tip, you need the oil ring, but it have to be sprayed because it may not be you that need it. Somebody else in your party or somebody else might be a little, perspirating a little bit. You need to do that. You also need the pad, the sticker, where on the under the arm and a pad, where when somebody's sweating and perspiring a lot, you can dip it, you can wipe it to kind of eliminate some of those sweats or those type of thing. You need a little bit of, perfume or spray with you, shaving stick and shaving cream. You never know when you're going to need that. And then some of the things that is a must have, you need medication, from Advil to Tylenol, whatever it is that work for you. You do need some allergies medicine in there, just in case somebody break out or something happens. Some ointment that is something antioxidant for this is stomach ache, and somebody got a bad reaction, from Pepto and everything. You do need smaller body. It doesn't have to be big, it can be smaller body. Definitely need your band-aids. You never know what's gonna happen, cotton swabs. And then these are the things that you do need. You need a super glue, you need clear tips, you need scissor, you do need mirror, but if you have one, most ladies we do have in our makeup bag, but you just need something there. If you're wearing contacts, I would say, make sure you pour a contact solution. And if you have a glasses, have extra glasses and things, on the side, eye drop. Most importantly, you need your timeline, your wedding timeline. If you are coordinating your wedding yourself, you need extra copy from your wedding timeline, just in case somebody, makes something or forget something. Once again, if you have a planner will have that timeline. For me, I always bring extra copies. Even if I already I bring extra copy for every single one that's supposed to have that timeline. Reason being is that DJ may forget to bring the timeline, MC, and so I always have extra copies in there, just in case if I have to give it to somebody for them to know what it is. I make sure to have a timeline in there for them as well. All the contact information. Right now we have phones and stuff, so it might not be easy, but you also need your chargers. Speaking of phone, you need chargers. You never know what's gonna happen. Somebody's battery might go there, your battery might go there. You need chargers in there to have it. Even if you maybe need a little speaker, a radio speaker, just in case you want to play music or something. Those are the things that you need. You can bring an extension cord, but it's not really matter because most hotels have plugs and hot outlets, so it's fine. But also you need your cash. You're going to pay a lot of people. You're going to tip a lot of people. So you need to have extra cash. Go to the bank. Everybody that you need to give money to, you need to have those as well. Batteries, lighters, the fashion tip for us lady, we need that. Extra jewelry, especially extra earrings. You never know. The earring that you might have purchased might irritate your ears. And you might definitely need those things to change it, or maybe look at it after you put the whole thing together and realize, I really don't like this. Or we pack extra jewelry. You never know when you're gonna need that. And you need another thing, weight. If you're having out like a dress weight, clothes weight, I should say, you might wonder what the heck is a clothes weight. What it is that if you're having an outdoor wedding, whether it's on the beach, outward where it's windy and you're having something outside, you can put these little weights to cut a dress weight. You can put it at the end of your skirt, bridal party, anything, and it will keep the dress from flying over. You don't want a huge rain to come and just cover you all over the place and showing all your little goodies to the public. So you need to make sure you have that. You need your shoe inserts, length rotors so much, especially for your men. Flats, like your flip flops, you need slippers. If he's gonna get tired, something comfortable, slacks, something comfortable that you're gonna need. Steam iron, you do need a steamer. Maybe there's something there that you need to steam. You never know. So, like I said, this is a lot of stuff. So you want to make sure you pour it in ahead of time. For my ladies, these are must. You need your hairpin, your bobby pin, your hairspray. I don't care if your hairdresser is going to be there. Your hair gel, hair comb, makeup eraser from clothes. You need clear nail polish, nail remover, maybe pedicure step. Maybe one of your nails might fall, or you might have anything. Your lash glue. Yeah, your makeup items might have that, but you never know when it leave. You might have something. You need your blush. You need like a sample size for your makeup that you're gonna wear just in case. Those are things that you need. from bug spray, especially when you're getting married outside, umbrella based on the time of the wedding that you're doing, and cold just in case. Those are all like some of the most important thing that I think you need. You can always add more for what it is, but as you can see, the list is extremely long. But if you plan properly, that's why I say you need a week or so. So things that you don't have in your house, you can easily get it, put in a little bag, have everything in there for you. It will make your life easier. Trust me. I have seen it all. I've been down a road and I know what it means to be running around looking for stuff. Like literally, I remember one wedding on my way to the venue. The bride just called me and said, "Oh my God, the comb for my wedding dress fell, my veil fall off. I don't have anything. Can I have some hair clips? I don't have no hair clips." And I had to literally run to Rite Aid, looking around. We're in a place that really secluded. I'm looking around for a Rite Aid or CVS to find some clips. I just went ahead. Luckily, I found something, bought a lot, timing coming on, and later on had to get these things together. In the end, it still didn't work. I had to grab my needle and thread together and sew it together just for her to get down the aisle. But made it in time and did what we had to do. So it's a must to have these things to happen. But once again, thank you for watching. My name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Professional Creations. Follow me on my website at www.lyndaperfect.creationsevents.com. Thank you and have an amazing day.